As many of you know, I spent my summer remodeling my basement. And I joke that instead of getting an MBA that I remodeled my house, and it gives me a ton of expertise as a real estate agent to know how these things are done, and I can pass it on to my clients. So I actually wrote this basement guide, a guide to remodeling your basement for anyone who needs this information. I want it to be a resource. So this has been a total labor of love, and it has turned out beautiful. So I have contractors' names and phone numbers, budget. This tells you everything you need to know. So I would love to share this guide with you, your friends, your family, your neighbors, anyone who's thinking about remodeling their basement. Please let me know. I have 100 printed and I would love to distribute them. Take a look back at the video archives as the remodel was taking place. Okay, so tomorrow we're starting work on the basement. I just wanted to give you a quick tour before everything starts changing. So this is the plan. When you walk down the stairs in the new layout, this wall will be completely gone, and this bedroom will actually be the den. So we have already 2 good sized windows in there. This will be, there will be a wet bar, in this area some cabinets, and this will stay a laundry room, just moving everything around a bit, and under stair closet. This would be the door to the master bedroom. This window is going to be an egress, so it's actually going to go down to this line and have a good sized bedroom down here for a master that will fit a king size bed. The water heater, I'm just going to go with a 50-gallon water heater, and that will go over here. The furnace is going to go over to this side, and all of this ductwork is going to go up into the ceiling. So this will be walled off. This area, there will be a wall here, and then you'll go down a hallway this direction. To your left, there will be like an L-shaped hallway or a walk-in closet that goes all the way to the back. This is actually an old coal chute for the old coal burning furnace. And then right in front of you, this will be a glass shower and a double vanity right in this area. And then there will be a toilet room here. So the wall will be here, and I'll have a pocket door. So the toilet will be right in this area, and you can access the toilet through, if you're in the den, you can come through the laundry room into the toilet room and use the sink without going into the master. So HVAC work starts tomorrow, new windows by the end of the month, framing, electrical. I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, it's been a while since I gave you an update, but we are doing pretty good on the basement and hoping to be done by the end of the month. So let me give you a quick little tour. All right, so if you remember, this used to be a wall, and this has all been opened up. There's new windows. Drywall's starting today. Framing is done, insulation, electrical. There's my egress window. I have 2 in the basement, maybe a little overkill. Bathroom changed since we last talked. This is going to be a double vanity. Shower, I'm picking out tile this morning, super excited about that. Walk-in closet. The toilet. Laundry, and wet bar. So just keeping the project moving along. All right, guys, this is the last tour before we're done. So next time you tune in, we will have cabinets and everything. So drywall's done. He has to come and sand tomorrow, and then we're gonna paint. Doors are in. My egress window's done. This is going to be a double vanity. Tile is looking beautiful. Walk-in closet's going to get shelves this week. All my mechanicals tucked back here. There's a little toilet room. goal is to finish by the end of the month, and we got a little bit of time, but a lot of work left. Hi friends, so my basement's done. Not completely, but I'm ready to give you a tour. So here we go. So as we come down from the kitchen, I'm so glad this used to be such an eyesore from my kitchen. And I originally wanted to move the stairs, but that was not very feasible. So this is a big change. If you remember when I started, there was a wall right here, and this was the only finished bedroom, the only space that was finished down here. And I made it into a den because I really wanted there to be good flow from the stairs into this space. It didn't really make sense to have a wall right in front of the stairs as you came down. And I also added an egress window here, which was a little overkill. This was at the beginning when I had a lot of budget. I also put in, there was no outlets in this room. This will someday be my wet bar. Unfortunately, I did run over budget on this project, and so I'm really happy that I have it all plumbed out so that when I'm ready, I save up a little bit of money. I'm gonna put in a wet bar there with a refrigerator, and it's all set and ready to go. I don't have to dig up anything. So there is a master suite in this home now, which is nice. It's just, I added an additional bed and bath. So this is the new bedroom, and it's got an egress window. I spent a little extra on this because I wanted it to be consistent with the other windows in the house. This concrete window well is existing in all the other windows, and so I took the concrete down instead of doing the round metal like you see in a lot of them. This is a good space bedroom. One of my struggles throughout the process was getting all the HVAC and really making sure that the ceiling height was okay. So this is the lowest part, is where this line runs through the center of the house. This is the master bath, and I absolutely love this piece. So this is actually an old buffet that was converted into the double vanity. My friend Mal helped me pick it out. He does a lot of interior design, repurposing furniture, and I think it just is really good, makes the space unique, and it's beautiful and it fits perfectly, very functional in here. So the bathroom, I did marble tile, and then the shower, which turned out beautiful. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna put a big glass panel on it, which is coming, it's in the works. And a walk-in closet. Very jealous of this closet. I'm gonna rent this space, and I would, my closets are pretty small, so this one turned out really nice. All the new hot water heater and the furnace, the furnace got moved, and the HVAC was a big process during this remodel, and I also added AC. So thank you to all the people who contributed on Facebook. We do have a separate toilet room right here that is a walkthrough, which is a great idea, and my mom revised this plan a million times. Thank you. This is the laundry room, so I have a little small sink here for penny baths, and I was really trying to create as much storage as possible. So above the washer and dryer, we're gonna get a new dryer vent, and it'll be pushed back. I did a pegboard for all my tools, and this cabinet was awesome. I got it for like $30, and my carpenter kind of installed it so it can come out, and I can put stuff over it if I'm ironing, and then I can put it back. And then under the stairs there's some storage. So still have a little bit of storage in the house, and that is it. So I learned so much during this process. The goal was really to do a home remodel so that I understand what it takes and I can be a good resource to my clients, and that has definitely already helped in my business and helped me advise people. And I'm gonna come out with a guide to remodeling your basement because I made a ton of mistakes, and I have a lot of advice for people that want to try to do this. So if you know anyone, I'll be sharing that in the coming weeks.